Welcome to Inspire India Now. It's an uncut and untold story of Indian success and the new ideas who will make the entrepreneur successful. So today episode is all about something related with the fashion entrepreneurs. Every tailor and every designer must think expansion of fashion and clothing industry. Now the industry is really doing very well. As you all aware and friends, lot of people used to approach, and I still remember when our beloved friend Rohit Bal started the industry in different shape. Earlier the designer was, their work was to design. It was the Rohit Bal who started that with Alok Agarwal. He started the new era. Now the situation is totally different. Recently, the sponsors of the Inspire India Now, Venture Studio Capital, Carefin Risks, One More Chance, they have signed with the various institutions. More particular, if I say, Whistling Wood, maybe they signed or maybe they are going to sign. I am not sure. But they have signed with the Film Institute, they have signed with the IIT Madras, they have signed with other very high-tech institutions who provide technology as well as they provide the designers. Now you just see a great showroom is there in Gurgaon, a great showroom there in Pune, and you have a very good professional designers who know what is going to next 5 months or 6 months, and you have a technology who can create a shirts like Paul Smith, like Versace, like Louis Vuitton, and prices are Indian, not a set of 2 lakh rupees, not a suit of 10 lakh rupees. A shirt is 5,000 to 10,000 and suit is 1 lakh to 2 lakh, 3 lakh rupees. A great synergy. And I know most of the tailor shop are, yes, literally they are tailor shop. So they are have a lot of limitations. They cannot visualize the designs. They don't have a technology. So the guys of Venture Studio and the guys of Carefindis, they provide end-to-end facility. I feel you have to check with them directly. You can talk to Mr. Prince Tyagi, you can call to Mr. Sandeep Maheshwari, you can call to Ms. Madhu Tyagi, you can call to Sonali Ugle, you can call to Mahesh, you can call to Achata. These are the guys, Amit Modani you can call, and these are the guys who actually help you how to raise fund, how to raise equity, what are the designers, how to make it. Means they provide end-to-end facility. Recently, I attended a program in Bengaluru. There these people have helped to launch a new project. Big celebrities, like lot of big celebrities was there. I don't want to take their names. You know very well what are the celebrities was there. And Sachin was there. I think Virat was also there. And many more. This mission started with Rohit Bal, but unfortunately now he is no more. So one must understood fashion is not just about clothing and showrooms. Again I repeat, today the fashion is no more like a clothing or showroom. Now people feel the passion, people visualize the passion, people pay a lot of money. Like in my one episode you will see, I told why the youngsters come for the private jets, why the chartered jets. Now the next step is a tailor shop must be converted in a fashion showroom and with the very top professionals. Either it is very soon, the automatic machines, AI will kill your business. Most of the tailor shops are already killed because I see in a market, you get a shirt and pant starting from 300 rupees to 4,000 rupees. Even suits, suits I seen in Karol Bagh, Pune, Dagar, it's a 800 to 1000 rupees. How you will compete? You will compete only when you create a brand synergy. 1 plus 1, 11. A good design, good showroom, and good marketing strategy. See, nobody can compete with your service quality. After sales, your services are excellent. Like last 40 years, I am using two tailors. Still, I am using same tailor in Delhi, in Pune, in Ahmedabad. Because after sales, their services, I don't feel any global brand will able to match. Even Boss will not able to match. Paul Smith will not able to match. Even Louis Vuitton will not able. See, if you just ask to change the buttons, they take 1 month time. You just ask to adjust the, if you lose weight or you increase the weight, they take lot of excuses. But if you guys don't come forward, then what? This ready-made cake will go to them and already is going. If you see, it is already going. So, the best quality vendors are lined up for you. They are just on one call. And whether you are tailoring, designing or fashion retail, the most important rule of success is simple. Never be short of money when you have funds. You can get discount on cash purchase, at the same time they will able to pass it to your customers. So, you have to see the best design, best technology and economical price. And what is your existing strength? After sales service. That is your existing, no global brand can match. And you know, the even bankers love to fund you. Once you have a good brand, once you have a good strategy, once you have a good marketing, bankers love to fund you. Private investors, HNI are line up for the investment. But if you remember, if you sit your balance sheet, if you see your cash flow, you are crying. I seen the company last 10 years, their balance sheet are almost similar. If they buy a car, they feel it's luxury. Why? Because they are not going in organized manner. I seen pharma, people started with 20 lakh rupee in 2011-12. Today they are 1000 crore rupees. How many tailor shop are there who have done like this? No, because they don't have a vision. One showroom fix your income. Again I tell you, guy, just please keep quiet. One showroom fix your income. Many showroom not just add your numbers, but multiply your income. So, in one showroom, you are like a 24/7 servant. You are 24/7 employee. But once you go multiple showroom, you really become a corporate. You really become a organized business, part of organized business. And what is the final outcome? Comfort, respect, and phenomenal income. That is to make your entire business. You know, very few tailor shop are there where the successors means their kids have joined. Most of the shops you will see their kids never join because it's a lot of tension creating. And again I tell, a good consultant is like a master tailor for your business. So don't hesitate, call the consultant, call the Mr. Prince Tyagi, Sandeep Maheshwari, say Amit Modani, what else? Mahesh Matre, Sonali Ugle, Akshata. These are the people available on single call. Now, no, I cannot take their phone number or email. You have to pay your CA, either you have to find out yourself. Sorry, I cannot. No. This is the against my ethics. I am not here to promote any brand. I just say thanks to the people who sponsors this program. But I have no commitment to promote their brand. Sorry, no. A good consultant, again I tell, your expansion require guidance, right locations, right designers, right launch strategy and right technology. Expansion is not a expense. Again, please remember, I have seen many tailors are hesitating because these guys will charge professional fees, and I don't find why you are hesitating. You also charge when people come with the cloth or without cloth. You also charge. Why you are hesitating? You pay rent every month. You pay electricity bill every month. You pay your petrol car every month. You pay your student, your kids fees every month. Why you are hesitating? Here you treat expansion is not a expense. It's an investment of a great future. It's an investment of a great future, great income, great visibility, and great recognition. Just to think, today what is the respect people have, like Manyavar? How Manyavar have come and opened so many showrooms? Why don't tailors have done this? Because tailors are hesitate to hiring the top class professional. And expansion really create lot of new customers, new designs, creative idea, and big buzz in the market. Like your brand is promoting by say Virat Kohli, Anushka Sharma. How Manyavar come? Manyavar come most of the branding and promotion, and the credit go to the Anushka Sharma and Virat Kohli. And again I tell, the designer is a lifeline of your business. Right strategy is a lifeline of your business. Tailoring, how much tailoring you do? Most of the tailoring people do with just paying at 200 rupees, 300 rupees. Most of the stitching people are doing with 30 rupees, 40 rupees or 50 rupees. Why somebody will pay you 5,000 rupees? Somebody will pay you 5,000 rupees for the brand, for your visibility, for your technology. And that's why every day you are struggling, and your family, your kids are going out of the business. And again I tell you, good tailoring is not just about the stitch. It's about the strategy. Once you tailor, once you cut, it's a strategy. It's not just cutting, it's not just tailoring, it's not just stitching, it's a strategy. You are here because that time you are the advance in strategy. Today, if you don't see, only God will see. And again I tell, the right thing you have to see, right time and right place. And before I conclude, again I remind you, stitching is not about a unskilled work. Stitching is about a passion, about a perception, about a brand. If you follow these principles, you will see a great brand. People are walking to you, and future belong to the people who really are a brand. Like if you see in the weddings, almost India is a $10 billion wedding destination. How much wedding you get? You don't get, because people see where the Virat is getting a stage, where the Rinku Singh is getting a stage. And since you are not properly designed, so even if you stitch for Rinku Singh, if you stitch for Virat, you won't able to use their names, because you don't have a team who plan everything. So I think act fast before it is too late. Act fast and take right decision. Thank you very much.
टेक्नोलॉजी का क्या रोल है फैशन इंडस्ट्री में?
ओके मैडम, यहाँ टेक्नोलॉजी का मतलब होता है विजुलाइज. जैसा आपने जो कपड़े पहन रखे हैं, तो ये ऑस्ट्रेलिया में या स्वीडन में या चाइना में विजुलाइज हुए थे कि इंडिया में ऐसे कपड़े पहने जाते हैं जिसका फुल स्लीव का शर्ट होगा, कॉलर होगा. आई फील लिमिटेशंस है हमारी टेक्निकल टीम का, नहीं तो आपको दिखाते, दर्शकों को भी दिखता कि जो आपने कपड़े पहन रखे हैं ये 10 साल पहले या 5 साल पहले इंडिया में सोचे नहीं जा सकते हैं, बट ये बाहर से बन के आए हैं. तो टेक्नोलॉजी में क्या होता है, एक फिनिश आता है, फ्यूचर डिजाइन आती है, एंड ओवर एंड अबव मैडम इफिशियंसी आता है. मतलब आपने 10 कपड़े का, आपके घर में शादी है, आपने ऑर्डर दिया, तो जो मैनुअल टेलर है उसमें सिमिलरिटी नहीं होती, कांस्टेंसी नहीं होती, टाइमली डिलीवरी नहीं होती. सो टेक्नोलॉजी में ये सारी चीजें प्लान हो जाती हैं और इफिशियंसी आ जाती है मैडम. इसलिए जैसा अभी टेक्नोलॉजी आ गया इलेक्ट्रिक मीटर में, ऑटोमेटिक हो गया मीटर।
Yes, sir.
टोल में टेक्नोलॉजी आ गया, सारे टोल ऑटोमेटिक हो गए। मैं तो पहले आप देखते हैं ना गुड़गांव में कितनी लंबी लाइन लगती थी,
Yes, sir.
अब तो ऐसा हो गया कि जो लोग मुंबई से हैं उनको मालूम मुंबई पूना रोड पे कैसा होता, पहले 16 घंटा लगता था मुंबई पूना का, अभी 2.5 घंटा लगता। ऐसा टेक्नोलॉजी क्या करता है, लाइफ को बहुत आसान कर देता और बहुत इफिशियंट कर देता मैडम, वो है टेक्नोलॉजी।
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू मैडम।
Good afternoon, sir.
गुड आफ्टरनून।
I have a one question for you.
Yes.
How much celebrities help to build brands?
Oh, good सवाल मैडम। But today I'm very happy. The most of the questions are coming from girls, and it's a very good sign. It's a healthy sign. And your prime minister, our prime minister, is he's a passionate that girls come forward. So, madam, your question was that how the celebrity help.
Yes, sir.
Right, madam. Again, I tell madam, you recognize anything when the people whom you follow, whom you respect, like घर आप जाते हो, so you follow whom? Father,
Yes.
mother, elder brother are the good people who you have a perception in mind. Like you go temple and follow the Ganpati. गणपति कल से आने वाले हैं महाराष्ट्र में। तो जो सेलिब्रिटी होता है, he have a lot of recall value. People follow him. So whatever he wear, whatever he tell, people follow. So the celebrity means it's a shortcut. Like celebrity establish your brand, celebrity bring the customers to your door, and your services, your quality convert this for the years together. So celebrity is one who actually create a vision, create your brand in a heart of, in a mind of other, and then he bring the customer to your doorstep. So very big role, madam, very important role. This is a very interesting subject. I will invite you in Ahmedabad. You come and we'll discuss in detail. It's a very good, madam.
Sure, sir. Thank
Thank
you.
you, madam.
Thank you.
Yes, madam. What is your question? The third question is also from the girl. Very good, madam.
Sir, my question is this. I own a two showroom in Pune.
Okay.
So, can you explain me how to improve my sale?
Okay. What is the right now your sale, madam?
10 CR.
Okay. Your sale is 10 CR. Okay, madam. And how old you are? How old your business?
Sir, 2 year only.
Only?
Yes.
Oh, doing good. So again, I tell madam, Pune is a very, very growing market. So for Pune, I will prefer a good designer because it's a IT hub and it's a automobile hub. It's very fast growing Gen Z are there, and Pune actually represent entire Maharashtra. Most of the Marathi people, Maharashtra people come Pune for marketing. So for Pune, you can sign with the Venture Studio. They will provide you the very good designer. Then you have to sign with KL Finlist. They will help you for the technology, what technology you use for the delivery, a very quality and progressive good. And then as a promotion, you can sign with the celebrity like in Maharashtra. I think a lot of celebrity Kabaddi team have very good impact in Maharashtra. Like from tomorrow, Ganpati is starting. You can participate in Ganpati Pandal. You can have a organized 360-degree team who know the strategy, who know the PR, and the team who have a close association with Google and YouTube. Pune is a strong market who accept the social media and digital media. So all this can help you. And for detail, if you want, you can call to the Venture Studio people directly. You can go because they are in Mumbai, VKC only. You go and meet them. They will certainly help. And since you are the women entrepreneur, you can directly talk to the Jago Nari. They have the great facility. They will help you. And I pray that you must be cross 100 crore in next 3 years. Madam.
Thank you so nice.
Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you, madam. Yes, gentlemen. What is your question?
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन ऐसा था कि फैशन इंडस्ट्री में सेल कैसे बढ़ाऊं मेरी भी।
ओके फैशन इंडस्ट्री में सेल बहुत बड़ा है। अब इसको आपको सोचने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा कि आपको इंस्टीट्यूशनल सेल चाहिए, रिटेल सेल चाहिए, प्रीमियम सेल चाहिए या एवरेज सेल चाहिए। अगर आपको प्रीमियम सेल चाहिए तो आपको अच्छे डिजाइनर साथ लेने पड़ेंगे, अच्छी टेक्नोलॉजी लेनी पड़ेगी, ब्रांड की पोजीशन ऊपर करनी पड़ेगी और गूगल, यूट्यूब, मेटा पे आपको इवेंट करने पड़ेंगे। अगर आपको नंबर ऑफ सेल ज्यादा चाहिए, लो मार्जिन नंबर्स पे आपको प्ले करना है आप स्कूल्स के साथ टाई अप ले सकते हो, आप सिक्योरिटी एजेंसीज के साथ टाई अप ले सकते हो, आप ऐसे कारपोरेट्स के यूनिफॉर्म बना सकते हो। लाइक यूनिफॉर्म में A to Z है जो 4-5 हजार करोड़ का टर्नओवर कर रहा, आप वो काम कर सकते हो। इसके अलावा अगर आप बहुत अच्छे प्लान से जाना चाहते हो, बेडिंग ले लो। बेडिंग साल का करीब 2 लाख 2.5 लाख करोड़ का बिजनेस है। 2 लाख 2.5 लाख करोड़ के बिजनेस में अगर आपने थोड़ा भी ले लिया तो भी आप 400-500 करोड़ ले सकते हो। हाई मार्जिन बिजनेस है, बट वेडिंग में आपके पास डिजाइनर अच्छे होने चाहिए और टाइम कम होता है तो आपके पास टेक्नोलॉजी अच्छी होनी चाहिए, सो आप फास्ट डिलीवर कर पाओ। और अगर आप जाना चाहते हो एज अ होलसेल सप्लायर तो आप डीमार्ट को सप्लाई कर सकते हो। बहुत सारे ऐसे रिटेल नए शोरूम अमेजन पे आया है, आप वहां डाल सकते हो, अमेजन पे डाल सकते हो। और आप थोक में सप्लाई कर ले। अगर आप बांग्लादेश देखेंगे तो बांग्लादेश में ऐसा बहुत सारा चल रहा। आप त्रिची जाएंगे, कोयम्बटूर जाएंगे, लुधियाना जाएंगे, करनाल जाएंगे या यहाँ कोल्हापुर जाएंगे तो ये चल रहे हैं। बट एक्चुअली अगर आप बोलें तो यू हैव टू टॉक टू द प्रोफेशनल कंपनी लाइक वेंचर स्टूडियो कैपिटल, प्रिंस त्यागी, संदीप महेश्वरी, सोनाली उगले। Either you have to talk to the, if you have a promoters or partners lady, Jagunari you can talk to. So you have to go professionally. So your risk will be minimum and chances of success will be very high. Anything else?
No, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.